Welcome back to Neural Gamer Boy. Let's go to the time machine and free Chefbot. The one that was sent back in time to ruin all the breakfasts.
Okay, we've made it to the mission control again, and the time machine is waiting for our input.
Let's go up. Hollywood Squares.
Click the on button to start the wheel.
Welcome to Hollywood Squares. Please answer the questions correctly. The world's depending on you. And so is Chef Boy Robot. Your first clue is a wok. Use it to stir up what your mission is about. The wok is a pan for quickly stir-frying food. Cooks in China invented the wok out of necessity. They had plenty of fresh food, but not enough wood to keep their fires burning. The wok cooked the world's first fast food, but not the food first cooked. What was the method of cooking first developed by humans?
Was it boiling, roasting, or frying? Boiling, roasting, or frying? The cooking, the world's first fast food, but not the first cooked. What was the method cooking first developed by humans? What was the method? I'll read it one more time. Frying, roasting, or boiling? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Your turn, my friends, right now. I'm going to say roasting. I'm going to see if that's right.
Well done!
Go over the fire.
Roast something if you cook it in an oven or over a flame. Cooking was invented by accident when prehistoric people discovered that some food tasted better when it was roasted over the fire. Which of the following breakfast foods is prepared by roasting?
Roasting, okay. Is it cereal, orange juice, or pancakes? Cereal, orange juice, or pancakes? What is prepared by roasting? I'll try one more time for you. Cereal, orange juice, or pancakes? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You choose now, my friends. I'm going to go pancakes. What about you? You are? Okay, let's do it.
No, pancakes are fried on a griddle.
Oh. Then maybe cereal?
You crunched that one. Cereal is roasted in the factory before it reaches your breakfast table.
Interesting.
That's what makes it crunchy.
Oh, it's roasted.
What was
Interesting.
the world's first breakfast cereal?
Was it cornflakes, bran flakes, or granola? Cornflakes, bran flakes, or granola? What was the world's first breakfast? Cornflakes, bran flakes, or granola? Boy, this is a tough one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm even learning on this one, so I'm going to try to think the simplest ones. I'm going to say granola. That might not be right.
That came later.
Maybe it's cornflakes?
You sure milked that one for all it's worth. Cornflakes were invented as a healthy alternative to cooked breakfasts. Cornflakes are the crunchy subject of your mission.
Oh, cornflakes. Okay.
Before the history of cereal gets soggy.
Cornflakes. Okay.
Your second clue is a tooth, and it will tell you when cornflakes were discovered. Teeth are hard enough to last a lifetime, as long as you keep them clean. Before the toothbrush was invented, people rubbed their teeth with rags. A prisoner in England changed all that when he made the world's first toothbrush out of a bone. Teeth are hard because we need them for chewing. Chewing is the first step in which process?
Respiration, digestion, or circulation. Respiration, digestion, or circulation. What is chewing food? What's that the first process of? Respiration, digestion, or what goes through your body? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What are you gonna pick? I'm going digestion.
You sure devoured that question. When you chew food, it becomes soft enough to swallow. Swallowing starts food on a journey through your digestive system, a journey of over 25 feet. What does not help your teeth begin the process of digestion?
Okay, what does not help your teeth begin the process of digestion? Is it the tongue, sugar, or saliva? The tongue, sugar, saliva. What does not help your teeth begin the process of digestion? The tongue, the sugar, or saliva. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The tongue is part in your mouth. Saliva helps. I'm gonna say sugar, but I'm not sure.
Sweet! Sugar doesn't help you digest. In fact, sugar mixes with bacteria in your mouth and creates holes in your teeth, called cavities. If bacteria was discovered in the 19th century, when did dentists discover the cause of tooth decay?
So if bacteria was discovered in the 19th century, which would be 1800s, when did dentists discover the cause of tooth decay? Is it 1800 BC, 1901, 1894? 1800 BC, 1901, or 1894? When did say bacteria was discovered in the 19th centuries, which is before that? So it'd be like the 1800s, and they did it a decade later, or not decade. They found out and discovered. When did that happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Your turn to decide. I'm thinking. I'm gonna see if it was 18. I'm gonna say 1901. I might be wrong.
No,
So,
1901 is in the 20th century.
oh,
That's right. By 1894, dentists were aware that bacteria mixes with sugar and causes tooth decay. 1894 also marks the year when cornflakes were discovered.
so 1894.
We're getting closer and closer to rescuing Chef Boy Robot from Polly's crazy scheme.
Your third clue is a chicken. The chicken will show you where breakfast cereal was invented. The ancestor of today's chicken was a tropical bird that lived in Southeast Asia. Today, there are 7 billion chickens in the world.
Whoa, 7 billion.
2 billion more chickens than people. What's the process of raising chickens for food called?
Gathering, hunting, or farming. Gathering, hunting, or farming. What is the process of raising chickens for food called? Gathering, hunting, or farming. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You choose now, my friends. I'm going to choose farming.
That's it. Farming is more than just raising crops. It also includes raising farm animals. The practice of taming wild animals for food began 10,000 years years ago, farming made which of the following possible?
Clothing, villages, hunting. Clothing, villages, hunting. Farming made which of the following possible? Clothing, villages, hunting. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Your decision, my friends, right now. I'm going to choose villages.
Very good. Before farms, people had to hunt and gather food. That meant constantly moving around to follow the food supply. To tend their fields and animals, farmers had to settle in one place for long periods of time. Villages often become big cities over time. Which of the following cities began as a farming village?
So which of the cities began as a farming village? Was it Battle Crook, Michigan, New York, New York, London, England? Battle Crook Creek, Michigan, New York City, New York, London, England. So what city started out as a farming village? We'll try Battle Creek, Michigan, New York City, New York, London, England. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to pick London, England.
Rubbish.
Ooh.
London began as a port for trading.
Oh, it is. Okay. Well, maybe. New York. We'll try. Maybe New York, New York.
Nah, New
Oh.
York City began as a port for trading.
Oh, it did. So.
You did it again!
Huh.
Cornfields turned into factories once the success of cornflakes made Battle Creek, Michigan, the breakfast food capital of the world.
So Battle Creek, Michigan. Interesting.
Battle Creek, Michigan, 100 years ago. Just
Huh.
in time to save Chef Boy Robot.
Interesting. I didn't know that. Hey, you learn something every day.
Your fourth clue is an egg. The egg will help you find the person who invented cornflakes. It's a good thing eggs are oval-shaped and not round. If eggs were perfectly round, they'd roll right out of the nest. Eggs keep baby birds safe and healthy until they're ready to hatch. What does the egg yolk provide the baby bird?
What does the egg yolk provide the baby bird? Protein, nutrients, or oxygen? Protection, nutrients, or oxygen? Protection, nutrient, or oxygen? What, and I'll read it one more time. What does this provide the baby bird inside the egg? Is it protection, nutrient, or oxygen? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Your turn to choose, my friends. I'm going to say the egg yolk provides nutrients.
There's a healthy answer. The yolk provides all the food a baby bird needs while it develops in the egg. Nutrition is the process of taking in and using food. Good nutrition provides the body with what?
Is it energy, oxygen, perfect health? Energy, oxygen, perfect health. What does good, nutritious food provide a person or a body? Energy, oxygen, or perfect health. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And it's your turn to choose. I'm going to say energy.
That's it. If your body takes in too much food, it stores that energy as fat. That's why overeating makes you overweight. Energy is the power to do things. Who invented cornflakes as a convenient way to provide people with energy first thing in the morning?
Was it George Crumb, William Kellogg, or was it John Montgomery? Let's see, John Montgomery. George Crumb, William Kellogg, or was it John Montgomery? Who was the first person basically to do cereal for energy in the morning? George Crumb, William Kellogg, or John Montague? Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Choose which one now. I'm going to go William Kellogg.
A well-fortified answer. William Kellogg of Battle Creek, Michigan, was intensely interested in good nutrition. That's why he invented Corn Flakes.
Polly's breakfast is history. We have everything we need to rescue Chef Boy Robot and save the history of cereal as we know it. Off we go to Battle Creek, Michigan in 1894. Don't forget to bring your spoon.
Okay, we're gonna go over this just 3 times so we can get it in our mind. What was this mission about? Cornflakes. Who was the one who created the cornflakes? William Kellogg. When was it created? 1894. And where? Battle Creek, Michigan. One more time, and then we're gonna get our thing. What was created? Cornflakes. Who did it? William Kellogg. And when? 1894. And where? Battle Creek, Michigan. Okay, let's take the key and rescue cereal forever. We gotta get in there and save breakfast. Come on, breakfast.
Steady? Then click on me to go.
Let's go.
See the breakfast food capital of the world? Grab a spoon. We're off to Battle Creek, Michigan. And William Kellogg is about to invent cornflakes.
Let's check it out.
Gross. It looks like Chef Boy Robot is setting up a secret taste test. He switched William Kellogg's regular breakfast cereal for a bucket of cold fish and worms. Think he'll notice? Don't do it, Mr. Kellogg. Milk doesn't go with cold seafood and annelids. Let's hit that recall button before the cosmos curdles.
Ready? Let's do it.
In a world of Polly's design, but I don't. Come on, press the recall button. Yes, toasted cornflakes. That's right. Now back to the future. Wow, that was some landing. Press the back button on the utility belt to leave the time machine. We need to put this robot to rest.
Let's do it.
Back at the robot roost, and we've added another robot to the collection. Oh, Dottie, you do have a hero complex, don't you? Always wanting to save the world. Just to make you happy, the next mission will be even harder. Let's take a look at that Transquizzer and select another mission. Click on the inventory.
Well, alright, we're going to stop here and pick up next time. Always remember to like, favorite, and subscribe, and come back to Neuro Gamer Boy for more learning, thinking, and using the mind the Lord's given you to honor Him. And always remember that Neuro Gamer Boy loves you, and to keep pushing forward. And again, like what we say, using your mind, because learning is earning and power. So always remember that. And I will see you next time, and be blessed, my friends. Bye-bye.